If you're searching for a working Hostinger coupon code, this quick Hostinger review will show you the easiest way to save money on your hosting. Hostinger is currently offering discounts across all of its plans, and when you use my link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, you'll also get an extra 20% discount, plus 3 additional months. In this Hostinger review, what people really like is the combination of speed and simplicity. You get fast website performance, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, light-speed servers, and the Hostinger website builder, which makes launching a website very straightforward. And if the prices aren't showing in your local currency, just click the flag icon in the top right corner and select your country. The pricing updates instantly. Hostinger is often considered one of the best web hosting platforms available, and you're also covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you want to use the latest Hostinger coupon code, get the extra 20% off, and 3 extra months, tap the link below or scan the QR code.